Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can unfreeze SpayLater in Shopee and why it actually is frozen. So when this problem is frozen, you just need to make sure about a few things. Just some preliminary things that you can do is restarting the application, logging out and logging in again, checking out your Wi-Fi. These are some preliminary things that you can do, since sometimes the problem could arise due to this as well. If that doesn't fix the issue, the first thing that you want to see is your balance. You might have any unsettled outstanding bill with your SpayLater account. That could result in your account being frozen. So if you have any outstanding bill, if you have any debt, you need to pay that first. It could also happen if your account's current usage shows behavior that may jeopardize both user and company security. So you might have broken a rule or something. So just to unfreeze it, the things that you need to make sure are that you have paid your outstanding bills. If you have any debt or anything, just go ahead and pay that. Another thing is that SpayLater may not be visible in the app, since only a certain number of Shopee users can use that service. So that's a problem as well. And another thing is the item you're purchasing cannot be eligible for a SpayLater, and you might not have enough credit limit in your account. Now, apart from this, if you have a SpayLater and if it is frozen, then the only real solution is you checking if you have any outstanding balance that you need to pay. You can pay that. If not that, then you can go ahead and contact their customer support, and when you talk to their customer support, they will solve this issue for you. To contact customer support, you can simply select the Me tab. From here you'll go on Chat with Shopee, and from here you can contact them about your freezing issues and they will solve it for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.